What's up, everybody? Welcome in today's stream, and today we will be playing Murder Mystery 2. Yeah, so I hope you guys are ready, and let's get started. So we are in the game right now. Let's hope we get. Okay, I am innocent, so I'm gonna hide over here. W, 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 W. Wait, did I die? Okay, guys, I did not die. Okay, but I can hear the murderer. I can hear the murderer. But I need to go outside. I'm gonna go outside. Double, double, double. Okay. Um. Um. What map should we choose? What map should we choose, guys? What map? Okay. So can I be right here? Okay. I am innocent. That is not bad. It is not bad. Wait, are they dating? Hi. What the heck? Okay, wait. This is the murder. This is the murder. Oh my god. This is the murder. This is the murder. Oh my goodness. Is she coming this way? Yeah, I need to follow her. I need to follow her. Okay. Okay. Oh, hell no. Here she is. Oh, here she is. Oh my goodness. She is literally killing every single person in the freaking lobby. Here she is. Here she is. Go, go, go. Double. That was double. Dab, dabs, dabs, dabs. Sorry. Um, okay, now let's wait for the next map to load in. Let's do this. Please, can I be murderer? I'm innocent. I am. Whoa. What the heck just happened? Wait, can I go? Wait, wait. I need to find a way. Here. Wait, wait. Oh my goodness. I'm not going through this bench. The murderer, you the murderer, you the murderer. Are you the murderer? Are you the murderer? Um, what the heck is this? Doubles. Just okay, who is? Oh my! I just got to that's gonna be bad.